Continuing further, though not on 9th Avenue, just off to the right would have been what is known in my brother's generation as Thomas Jefferson Senior High. When the new school was built in 1959, the building was renamed Thomas Edison Junior High. Just another old building that's no longer there, though the memories we created there live on in our minds and our hearts. Many of us would take the turn on 12th Street or Thomas Boulevard, then down to 7th Avenue and make another right to get to the school. Though it was over 50 years ago, our memories of our Golden Falcons are still vivid in our minds. On the left side, gone but not forgotten, is the lot where Howard's grocery store once stood. Built and expanded over the years, Mr. Howard, as he was known, started his business in a garage and expanded it to what was the largest independent grocery store in Port Arthur. Some people say in the entire state of Texas. He and his family served the neighborhood for generations, offering a friendly face and a smile to families from miles around before its closure in the 90s. He even built a covered parking structure so his customers wouldn't get wet when they shopped at his store. Though the store is long gone, that parking structure, at least to this point, has survived the worst nature's been able to throw at it. Beyond that, the Golden Trio Cinema held fond memories for children and adults alike until its closure in 1983. Many of us remember the old building as the Port Theater, but that's just for the really old folks like me. This part of 9th Avenue changed in the 1980s as it became the home to a large Vietnamese immigrant population. They made this area their own, developing the church and building the Queen of Peace Shrine, which houses a large statue of the Virgin Mary as a testament to their faith and community vitality. Beyond that, you'll find a number of flourishing shops and businesses, stores that brought a taste of Vietnamese culture to Port Arthur. The best of which, many will tell you, is their food. They improved this part of town when much of the area was in deep decline. 9th Avenue continues for yet another block, terminating just before the ship channel, just after the intersection of 9th Avenue and Proctor Street. We know we'll turn one way or the other as we come to the end of this video, but it's not the end of our journey. In turning right or left, we'll continue our adventures, and we hope you'll come along with us. Thank you for watching. We sure enjoy your company.